During data preparation and analysis, you may need to focus on records for a specific data period. This is easily accomplished with filters, allowing you to work with only the data that you need. In this video, we will look at how you can dynamically filter data in Altair Monarch Data Prep Studio. Here we have a workspace for sales transactions. Each transaction includes the sales order number, material purchased, sales figures, and billing date. There is an existing filter on the billing date that limits the table to records between these dates. July 25 is the date today, and June 28 is the last weekday of the previous month. Assuming we will regularly work with records from the last weekday of the previous month until the current date, we would always need to manually update this static filter whenever a new report comes in. For such cases, a dynamic filter would be best. There are different interval types we can use. For a specific date, you can choose today, tomorrow, or yesterday, or even the first day of a calendar year, ISO year, or fiscal year. You would then set the offset value relative to the rest of the settings. For example, leaving this at 0 evaluates to the current calendar year. Setting it to -1 evaluates to the previous year. A date period works in a similar manner, but this time evaluates to the entire period. The current calendar year and a 0 offset evaluates to January 1 to December 31 of this year. For our workspace, we need a date window where we specify the start and end of the window. That would be the last weekday of the previous month until today. Notice that this evaluates to June 28 to July 25, which is also what we had in our static filter. As an added check, the static filter currently returns 9 records for these customers and billing dates. The dynamic filter returns the same rows. When reports for other months are loaded into the workspace, there will no longer be any need to manually update the dynamic filter. The records falling within this date window will be returned each time the filter is applied. In this video, we learned about the flexibility of dynamic date filters. Try the other options on your own. Apply what you've learned and build more efficient and compliant workspaces in Monarch Data Prep Studio.